Hello, dear Prime Testers, and welcome to this quick tutorial video where we'll guide you on how to register on the Ubertesters platform and become a proud member of our community of crowd testers. Here, you can test incredible digital products and earn money, and all in your spare time. Let's get started. To register on our Ubertesters platform as a tester, you need to click on the Become a Tester button in the top right corner of the Ubertesters homepage. This will lead you to the Prime Testers homepage, where you should click on the button Become a Tester again. Now you need to continue the registration process. Fill in the form with your first name, last name, email address, your country, chosen password, and password confirmation, and create your account. Afterwards, we'll send you a confirmation email. Please open your email service, find the letter from the Ubertesters team, confirm your email address, and become eligible to receive testing projects from us. Fantastic job so far. You're on the right track to becoming a proud tester. Next, add your personal information, payment methods so that we can pay you for your efforts, and your communication methods so that we can discuss exciting projects with you. This personal data will help our managers identify who you are and avoid any potential fraudulent actions with financial transactions. But no worries, your data is safe and secure with us and will not be shared with anyone. To help us match you with the right testing opportunities, please add your technical background information, operating system types, and versions. This information will help our managers offer exactly the right projects for you. Now, at step 3, we ask you to electronically sign the Testers Agreement. Navigate to the Ubertesters Freelance Tester Services Agreement, review the terms and conditions carefully, check the boxes where necessary, and then at the end, enter your full name and address. Don't forget to add your signature. You can use your mouse or touchpad and provide your email address. This step is crucial for maintaining transparency and trust between you and Ubertesters. We appreciate your dedication to upholding the highest standards in the testing community. Great job so far. Your detailed information sets you apart. In the 4th step, you'll be asked to connect your mobile device so you can actually start testing with it. You'll have 3 options to connect your device. The first is by launching your mobile browser and typing dashboard.ubertesters.com and downloading the Ubertesters Hub app. It allows you to join a project in the fastest and most secure way. You can also get the app's downloading link to your email. The third option is to scan the QR code to connect the device, or you can connect your device at a later stage. Congratulations! You're now a beta tester with Ubertesters. This means you'll have access to exciting testing projects that involve gathering user feedback, payment testing, and more, rather than handling professional QA tasks. To qualify as a QA tester, the next step is to successfully pass our exams. Sign into the Ubertesters platform by using your email address and password. There, you'll find an online test that will allow you to qualify as a QA tester. You can take the test now or later. After you pass the online test and the practical exam, you'll receive a confirmation email and become a qualified QA tester. Passing the exams opens up more opportunities. That's it. Now you know how to register to the Ubertesters platform. Thanks for your loyalty and dedication. Your diligent efforts are essential in upholding the standard we've set. Happy testing. Prime Testers, Prime Results.